Hey first graders, we are going to use a brand new tool on Nearpod today. So before we start doing that, I'm going to show you exactly what it is you need to know. Okay, so I'm going to move myself a little smaller here off to the side. This is the practice page that you are going to get to use as well, so you can practice using the different tools that you'll need for today. Okay, now on this page, we have some tools down here at the bottom. First, we have our pen. Then we have a highlighter. We have a text box. We have a picture tool. And we have an eraser. The arrow back is undo. The arrow forward is redo. This X on top of the paper is clear everything. And then we have a lock. So when we're done, we will lock it into place. Okay. So for this, you are going to get to write down your answers. So I'm going to pick my tool here. I'm going to want to use smaller size writing. And I pick what color I want to use. And then I'm going to come here and I'm going to share my thinking. 7 plus 3, 7 in the box, 3 outside, 7 in the box, 3 outside, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I can come over here and I can write a 10. Okay, if I think it's too messy, I can arrow back, undo. If I decide it was good enough, I can redo. Okay, but I can undo. I can make it a little bit tidier. There's my answer. Okay, now some of you are thinking, oh, how am I supposed to draw on a Chromebook? Now, if you are doing this on a phone or an iPad or tablet, you probably have a touch screen. Not everybody has a touch screen. So let me show you how you can do this on your Chromebook. Okay, so on this little pad, if I'm getting ready to write, I'm going to click with one hand and then use my other hand to go up and down or make my circles or other shapes I need. Do you see how right now when I click, my little mouse is just staying in place, my little arrow there? But when I start going up and down, I'm still holding down with this hand. That one's still clicked. And I can move this all around. That is great for when you're dragging things around on your screen or when you're trying to draw. Click and move. Okay, if you're using a touch screen, then it's easier already because you can just touch it. So I actually have a touch screen here and I can just come over here and say, there we go. There's my 10 for 9 plus 1. Okay, but you might decide, you know what? It's really hard for me to get the numbers to show the way I want them to show. So you can also use the text box. When I come down here and I click on the T's, it's going to make a box appear. See that? Here's my box up here. It has a garbage can if I want to get rid of that box. And then it has these arrows that are in kind of a plus sign. And if I click on that and move it around, I can put it where I want it to be. So I'm going to put that arrow, that plus arrow, right above where I want to do my writing. Okay, so if I want to answer 5 plus 4, I'm going to put it right there. Do you see how that E is right underneath the 5 plus 4 in the word enter? So I can let go here. I'm going to click on there and I'm going to put my answer. Okay, I click away and it stays there. If I click on the text box again, a new box shows up. I can move it around. I can change the size by using this little slider here. Okay, get it to a size I think is a good size. Get it to the spot I want it to go. Look inside the box and I can write my answer. Okay, so then when you are done with your work on the page, you are going to lock the page to go to the next one. Okay, if you make a mistake, you can click on the eraser. You can come back and say, I need to fix that one. Click back on here. Remember, this can also change the size of the writing. or I can also change my colors. Okay, find my answers. Again, when you're done, you will lock it into place before you arrow over to go to the next page. Okay, so you're going to have that first page to practice on, and just see if you prefer writing it with your finger or typing it in, but you have those options, and then you'll get to do a couple of pages where we're going to be looking for your answers and seeing which addition facts and subtraction facts you know. And so just do your very best work and have fun. Good luck. See you soon.